Scotland was at war. Duncan, the King of Scotland, not only had to defend his country from marauding Viking hordes, but also from treacherous uprisings within Scotland. His army was strengthened by brave, strong, and valiant Scottish warriors. The greatest of these was Macbeth.
Shall we meet again in thunder, lightning, or in the rain?
When the holy world is done, when the battle is lost and won.
There before the set of sun. Where is the base?
Upon the hill,
There to meet with Macbeth. Yes, all and all is dead. Power to the fog and fill the air. Where is all and all is dead. Power to the fog and fill the air.
Lord, save King Duncan, save thee.
Where do you come from, worthy Lord?
From the east battlefield, great king, where the discarded trader, Lord of Cawdor, began to dispute conflict till great Macbeth. Will he deserve the name? Confronted him into control. Lord, victory to us.
Great happiness. No more shall the Lord of God to deceive us. Go, pronounce his present death and his former title, Great Macbeth. What he has lost, noble Macbeth has won.
A drum, Macbeth has come.
So foul and fair a day, how not see? What are these? So withered and so fine in their attire. These do not look like the inhabitants of the earth. Speak, if you can. What are you?
All hail, Macbeth! Hail to thee, Lord of Glamour!
all hail Macbeth, hail to thee, Lord of Cawdor.
All hail, Macbeth! You shall be the king hereafter!
What predictions are these? These creatures are gibbering alone. If you can't predict the future, speak to me. Predict my future as well.
Hail! 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 Lesser than the Macbeth and greater!
Not so happy, yet much happier.
Your son shall be crowned after Macbeth, even though you won't be one.
Hail, Thane of Cawdor! I'm here to bring you the news of your success. The king was impressed by the expedition you have done in the battlefield and has rewarded you with the title of the Lord of Cawdor. Why do you dress me in borrowed robes? How can I be the king of Cawdor? The king of Cawdor lives? The king? King Duncan has sons. This can't be true.
Hail, Macbeth, the Thane of Cawdor!
the devil be true? Oftentimes, the instruments of darkness lull us in the false sense of security and hide from us the deepest, darkest, greater consequences.
I received the letter, Lady Clamus, and the worthy Thane of Coulter. I am glad to hear about your success. You are meant for greater. Such as the witches prophesied. You shall become the king. There is no way you can ascend the throne with Duncan and Malcolm in your way.
My dearest love, Duncan comes here tonight.
Look like innocent flower, but be serpent underneath. I hope you got me.
But how can I commit such a crime? King Duncan, double trust. I am his kinsman and faithful subject. Aren't you afraid? What if we fail?
We fail? Those words do not go together in our case, Master Courage. What can you and I perform on that unguarded Duncan? And after you commit the murder, we will blame it on his drunken guards.
Then why can't you take his life?
My lord, I'm a fine lady. You know, it's apparent to my gender. I only wish and plan this for your benefit.
I have done the deal. I have done it. Did you hear a noise? Did you?
And you take the dagger as a souvenir? Why did you take the dagger from the place? It must lie there. Take it back and make sure you smear the guards with blood.
Please, please. I will go no more. I'm afraid about what I have done.
I will do it then.
The Lord of great Neptune's oceans. Wash this blood from my hands.
A little water clears for this death.
Murder! Treason! Away! Bango! Away! Bango! Our loyal master's murder!
In our house? Oh my lord! Oh heavens!
I repent me of my fury that I killed the guards who take the life of my beloved king.
On hearing the news of their father's death, the king's son have chosen to leave Scotland. Now only Macbeth is worth enough to be a king.
I still have the smell of blood on my hands. All the perfumes of Arabia didn't make my little hand smell better. Am I troubled by the vengeful ghost of the innocents? Am I losing my sanity? My heart is deeply burnt by the guilt caused by the unearthly act.
I done? I have taken the lives of many innocents, including my right hand Bango. What should I do now? Should I take the life of Duncan's sons? Or will they hang me over to